Could this be the handiest digital audio recorder ever for podcasters, filmmakers, and musicians? Let's find out. The Zoom H4n Pro really is pretty cool. It's compact, it's unique, it fits into the palm of your hand, and it does more than just digital audio recording on the move. There's a lot going on inside this box, so let's open it up and find out what's inside. It's pretty straightforward. In fact, when you pull the cardboard out, you get a Zoom recorder inside plastic casing. Let's unlock that and bring that out and show that to you. There it is. And you also get a pair of AA batteries as well that you can put straight into the recorder and get it going. That's all. You don't get any USB cables or power cables or anything like that. You do, however, get a ton of manuals. I think these are all in different languages. Yes, there are 3 different manuals in different languages, so that's exciting. So what is this good for? This is good for many things. You can use it as a backup recorder for podcasting. So you can send something from your aux sends on your audio interface or on your mixing console into one of these inputs. They're TRS or XLR connectors there, so very flexible. Input 1 and 2, and you can back up your recording onto an SD card. So that's the first thing. That's not the only thing, though. You can also use this as an audio interface. That's it, a 2-in, 2-out audio interface. So you can use it with something like Adobe Audition, connect it via the USB connector here into Adobe Audition, and not only can you send in whatever you've plugged in there, but you can also then output audio as well. Plus, it's got 2 rather good stereo condenser microphones. So if you want to go out on the field, if you want to record, I don't know, some street noise, if you want to go and chat to someone on the move, although you'd probably do better with a dynamic microphone for that. You can use these little mics on top if you're in a hurry. It's got pretty much everything you need, especially if you're podcasting, but also I'd imagine for making music with the audio interface ability, and even filmmaking, getting some of that action sound that you need. Yes, the Zoom H4n Pro. I know there are other models from Zoom and other digital audio recorders available, but this one I found over a lot of research to be the most value-driven. All the features you would possibly need in a really good price. It comes in usually at around the $220 mark. So really good. Zoom H4n Pro getting a thumbs up from me, and I'm going to be using it myself for my own podcasting and live streaming.